Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to reactivate Facebook page. Maybe you want to reactivate your Facebook page but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can reactivate your Facebook page. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into your profile page. In here, simply tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you're in this page, you need to scroll down and you'll see here the settings and privacy. Simply tap on this drop down button and you will see here settings. Tap on it. And under the settings and privacy, you will see the preferences and also the audience and visibility. In here, under the audience and visibility, tap on the pages. Once you tap on the pages, you will see here reactivate your pages. Reactivate your deactivated or scheduled for deletion pages. Simply tap on this view. And you will see here the deactivated pages. To reactivate it, simply tap on this reactivate button. As you can see, you are now switching to your page. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to reactivate your page on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can reactivate your page on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.